Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up and comment below sections. So guys, into this video I have a Hermes small item unboxing for you guys. So last week I went to Selfridges Manchester, and I went. Actually, we're not planning to go to the other Manchester where is the Hermes and Chanel is, but we went to the other Selfridges. I thought they have another, other, because I would like to visit the other stores in there, and that called Trafford Center. Trafford Center is a huge mall in there. There's like a Lazara, any other department store in there. I mean, any other stores in that inside the mall, as well as the Selfridges. But it's been a while I didn't visit in the Trafford Center. So after I think 3 or 4 years that it's been yeah, around that time, four years that we never visit that store. And when I got there, it's like 550, guys. 550, and I went straight to Chanel. And you have to reserve if you go onto the store. So when I went there, and then she told me that they are fully booked. Yes, fully booked. Can't believe that. I went all through there just to check items, as maybe. And I understand, yeah, really understand for that, maybe because of this, to social distancing. And I did message my SA, and she said they were fully booked, and yeah, I can go there quick. I don't have to browse. I just asked, to be honest with you, I just came there to ask if they have available the item that I want. But I guess for some reason, and then I went to the looking around inside the other store. I didn't went to what I call one, the Louis Vuitton, because I don't find anything at the moment that I like from LV. So yeah, I said like I don't want to waste to go in there check that. I'm not really, I saw online, and even though I like the items, but I always ask myself that, do I really need this bag? I mean, there's other bag that I want, that I really want, that's from Chanel, and it's like a small leather goods, guys, but I really like it. If I like something, I want to get it, or else I will not, always keep thinking about it, keep bothering my SE. So from now, I don't know if I can able to get that, since they have it gonna be price increase by the time I will purchase that item. So yeah, so I ending up going to Hermes. Well, I did actually, every time I go in that place, I always check this two store, Hermes and Chanel, since this is the only two stores that I don't have nearby to my local area. So yeah, I did ask the Hairbag 31, the Garden 30, the Killy to Go, the other one. So the other stuff that I want to see in person, but as always, they don't have that available in store. So I decided, you know what, like I said, every time I go that, I don't want to walk home without bringing anything, something from this store that I want to visit. So since I want this one for so long now, and also I for sure you know what it is, guys, and also where I use this one. So let's unbox this. This is Chit Chat, guys. So at least if you are going visit to Manchester, Chanel and Manchester exchange, something like that, go on like early morning, because it won't, if you go there late, it won't give you at least so many people. I think people are doing, because of Chanel's price increase, so people are going panic buying and going that day to buy all the items that they want to have in their collection now. So yeah, here's the item, guys, my receipt. So she is so nice. They having a new Twilly perfume, guys. She told me It's gonna be have in store on July 1st, and I spread this on my wrist. Oh my god, I prefer this one than the two other twilly. That what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna show it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I need to get this one. I love twilly. I'm looking for my other, like on a petite itch that I purchased. I cannot find anymore. I don't know if I drop off somewhere. I am worried about that I drop off my other, especially my keys in it. So that's the bottle, guys. Look how nice. I really like that they make it white. Guys, this is really smells good. Oh my god, man. It's I really love this scent, guys. Oh my god, it does really nice. Oh my god, I can't wait. I told her I probably come back next month to get this perfume. Yes, get this perfume, guys. It does smells good. So enough from the talking, so let's have this one now. So this is the item, guys. Twilly. I was going to get also another refill of a blush, but I said to myself maybe I have to wait because the other one that I still have anyway. And so yeah, so this is the item, so you know what it is the twilly. So the item that I got is this one. I really love this one, guys. This is called I think this is from last year collection. This is Ex Libres Le Paris. Guys, sorry, I cannot pronounce Paris. That's, I don't know if you can see. This is in a maroon. What's the color of this one? Maroon rose, I think. And I choose you. She showed me so many. She showed me different kind of a twilly, but this is the one caught my eye because like all this, like in a Paris, guys. You know, Paris is my famous or dream place. I really lucky that I went there. And so yeah, maybe because I love all the girls in there, very fashionable, all the girls. So the yellow, they have multicolored, and this is dark brown. This is dark brown. And so also, guys, I'm gonna show where I use this one. So I'm gonna use this one for my Picotin 18. Yeah, anyway, guys, that's it for my unboxing today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.